We're the county-wide community eating disorder service, also known as CEDS.
We offer complex assessments, treatment. We actually go out to the home as well and offer meal support and reach out and try and prevent hospitalisation.
For any parents or carers who are worried about young people who may have an eating disorder, our referral process is that you go through the GP, and the GP can then refer to ourselves, and we pick it up at our single point of access with a view to triaging and seeing if that young person meets our criteria.